Hello, everybody. Hey, I got two new cars in. I don't have time to review them. I've been on vacation for 2 weeks, and I've got relatives coming in tomorrow. So this kind of stuff gets put on hold. I'll get to it as quick as I can, but for now, I'm just going to show you what's coming up. So here we go. The boxes got beat up a little bit in transit, but what we've got here is both of these are Xinlehong. One of them is a q902. The other one is a 9137. This one's blue. This one's red. This one is brushed. This one is brushless. Both of them are IPX4 waterproof. In theory, the difference is going to be this one is brushed and this one is brushless. Everything else should be the same. The paddle tires I used on the Q901 will fit both of these cars. So we may have some snow here before too long and get to run these with paddle tires on them. So this is just going to be an overview. Basically, do you buy the brushed one or do you buy the brushless one? This one says 36 plus kilometers. Hey, they changed it to kilometers. Wow. They used to show miles per hour. That's an improvement, okay? Because, well, everybody knows they usually say miles per hour, and this is probably more honest. Anyway, I'm showing 36 plus here, 52 plus here, and you've got a 2845. I do not know what the KV rating is, but that's the motor I'm running in the 144001 is a 2845. This has a 35 amp ESC. The brushless version looks like a 390. I'll know when I open it up. It's got a 40 amp speed controller in it. This one shows to have little LEDs on the front. This one does not. This one shows to have a wheelie bar. This one does not. Until I open them up, I won't know. I don't have time to do that right now, but this is what we got going. So it appears the controllers are the same. We've got, let's see, D steering reverse switch. I don't see that on this one. So it looks like the radios may be different. Again, I apologize. I'm very, very short on time right now. So just as an overview, what these two cars are going to go through, we're going to actually physically go through, check the differences in the radios, check any physical differences with shocks, mounting locations, things like that. See if this one actually does have LEDs and wheelie bar and this one does not. We're going to look at the total cost of this one. We're going to do a GPS speed test on both cars. Then this one is going to get a brushless conversion. So the kind of basic idea behind that is to see, do you just go ahead and buy this one with the brushless motor, or do you buy this one and do when this wears out, do a brushless conversion on it? Do you end up with a better vehicle than you do buying this one straight out of the box? So give me a week and I'll at least try to get the overview going on this stuff. We've got relatives coming in. As soon as they're gone, I'll get back on some of this stuff. So if you want to keep up with this, subscribe, hit the bell, and you'll get notifications when this is up. And then we'll see if both of these qualify for these.